Saving $10,000 is the ultimate financial milestone. This is the exact amount that changes absolutely everything for you. And reaching this milestone changes everything. It shifts your mindset from pure survival to true long-term growth.
$10,000 is not just money, it is proof of discipline, and it shows consistency.
Unpaid bills. They create a mountain of stress. Before you can even start to build your savings, you are drowning in continuous uncertainty. Millions of people are trapped today, living paycheck to paycheck without any financial reserves. One single emergency could devastate their entire lives, and
having no savings leaves you raw. You are financially exposed to problems. Unexpected emergencies will happen. Don't get caught without a safety net. One unexpected medical expense, car repair, or job loss can instantly create immense financial stress when savings are missing. Most people stay stuck earning money only to spend it immediately. It becomes a heavy, endless cycle. But there's a way to break free, and
reaching $10,000 creates a major mental shift. You finally gain control instead of reacting to every financial problem.
Having that financial breathing room changes everything. It actively reduces anxiety and dramatically improves our daily decision-making. That's how you step in.
Confidence grows when you know you have money available, ready for emergencies and opportunities.
$10,000 is where money can finally begin working for you through investing and long-term growth.
Did you know that savings create options? Like learning new skills or starting a business. You can even invest or change careers. Start building your freedom today.
True wealth is built with patience and consistency.
Once you reach your savings milestones, keep going. Stability and smart decisions create long-term success. Saving your first $10,000 can completely change your financial future. And that journey starts with one disciplined step today. Like and subscribe for